Hey truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into everything automotive. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated trucks of the year, the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor. This beast is set to redefine what it means to be an off-road king. So buckle up because we're breaking down all the juicy details on this monster machine. Let's start under the hood, shall we? For 2026, the standard F-150 Raptor comes equipped with a high-output 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6, delivering around 450 horsepower and a whopping 510 pound-feet of torque. That's enough power to conquer any terrain, and then some. But wait, if you want even more muscle, meet the Raptor R. This high-performance variant packs a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, borrowed from the legendary Mustang Shelby GT 500. With an insane 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque, this thing isn't just fast, it's ferocious. And guess what? Both models come paired with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring that all that raw power gets delivered exactly when you need it. Now, let's talk suspension, because without the right setup, all that power wouldn't mean much. The 2026 Raptor continues to feature a state-of-the-art off-road tuned suspension system with Fox Live valve internal bypass dampers. These adaptive shocks adjust in real time for maximum comfort and control, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling rocky trails. And check out this 5-link rear coil spring setup. It not only improves articulation, but also enhances stability during those high-speed desert runs. Whether you're crawling over boulders or flying across sand dunes, this truck has your back. Tires are another area where the Raptor shines. Standard equipment includes 35-inch all-terrain tires, but if you opt for the Raptor R, you'll get beefy 37-inchers right out of the box. These bad boys provide unmatched traction and durability, no matter how gnarly the trail gets. And don't forget about the advanced terrain management system. With modes like sand, mud/ruts, and rock crawl, switching between terrains is as easy as turning a dial. Need to cross a river? No problem. This truck is built to handle water crossings too. Inside, the 2026 Raptor doesn't skimp on tech either. You'll find a massive sync infotainment touchscreen, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, there's a fully digital instrument cluster that gives you all the info you need at a glance. For long road trips, the available BlueCruise hands-free driving system lets you relax on approved highways. Talk about taking luxury to the next level. And speaking of levels, the Raptor's exterior is pure aggression. Its bold grille, flared fenders, and signature LED lighting make sure everyone knows you mean business. This truck looks as tough as it performs. So, when can you get your hands on this beast? Well, the 2026 Ford F-150 lineup, including the Raptor trims, is expected to hit dealerships by late 2025 or early 2026. Exact pricing hasn't been announced yet, but trust us, it'll be worth every penny. The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor is shaping up to be the ultimate off-road warrior. With jaw-dropping performance, cutting-edge technology, and a design that screams dominance, it's ready to take on anything you throw at it. Are you? Thanks for watching, guys! If you're as pumped about the 2026 Raptor as we are, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your favorite feature of the new Raptor? Until next time, keep those wheels spinning.